Starting today, your website developing journey going to be super easy with the help of UXmagic.AI Copilot. And you won't believe it, I created this design using this tool. Looks good? With the help of this tool, you can create a website in a various ways. There is an image option where you can just put in an image of a website you like online and add prompt, and you will get a great website built out of it. Then there is the add sketch option where you can take a low fidelity wireframe that you have draw with paper pen, upload it, and it will convert into high fidelity wireframe. There also a clone website option. So if you want to replicate any website you like, you can do that. And finally, you can import a design from a Figma into with the help of import from Figma option. Here is the dashboard. Here is the dashboard area. So left hand side some basic options like projects, stress, community, Figma library, React library, and if you come down, so you can see join the community option, and here is my project. Now you can see right side top. So if you bought any plan, you will see your credit next to your profile, and I'm really excited to work on this project. So I'm going to try add sketch option. All right, I'm excited to work on this project now. So the first, I clicked some photos of low fidelity wireframe that I created using paper and pen, and I added them here. Enhance prompt and enter it. Let's take a look at the dashboard. On the left side, you can change project name and frame name. Just double click and change it, and index rename. We scroll down here, so join community options like and WhatsApp community. Here is the help icon. If you need any type of help, go with this icon, and zoom in zoom out option, change background color, grid hide unhide option, and we move to right side. You will see the you will see the section for the prompt and the material we added, and if you need to edit something on this design or website, you can do that as well with the help of right side bottom this section. Now you can see that our website is ready, and it's also responsive. If you open it on any screen, it will adjust accordingly. So mobile and desktop, sorry, mobile, tablet, Android mobile, and desktop. Click on a preview option. Here you can see the full website, and go to the full screen option. Here is hero section, our core services, our client, what our client says, our story, team, achievements, our services, contact us section, and footer. And also go about section, go about, so you can reach automatically सर्विस कॉन्टैक्ट अस ओके। यहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी लग सकता है कि बैकग्राउंड क्यों नहीं दिख रहा। ये चीज़ें थोड़ी जल्दी फिक्स हो जाएगी, तो इसकी चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। देन क्रिएट अनदर पेज, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन, एंड नेम इज block. Go to the reference and select the index page. Go to right side bottom and type now. We're going to preview option. You can see the blog page. Also it's responsive, web development blog, mobile apps, digital strategy, and another options. Now here is the blog section, but it's literally looking good. Now we move to a index page, our home page, and we edit this section. एंड यू कैन सी ये कितना ईजी है। हमने यहाँ पर सिर्फ नेव बार को सिलेक्ट किया है और जस्ट राइट साइड हमने यहाँ पर जो एडिट वाला सेक्शन है जस्ट उसमें हमने टाइप किया है और देखो कितनी एक्यूरेटली इसने हमें ये रिजल्ट ला के दिया है। ऑलराइट, so let's talk about the pricing. You can use it for free and still get a lot of feature, but if you go for a premium or ultimate plan, you will get a ton more useful features. I definitely recommend it, and if you use the coupon code or the link I provide in description, you will get a 10% discount. So go ahead and boost your website and application developing journey easy.